Hi everybody, welcome. I'm Dr. Bob McKee, and this is Urban Studies. First of all, again, I want to welcome everybody to the course, but I also want to thank you and tell you how truly brilliant you are for taking a course during the summer. You know, so often students pass up on that opportunity because they have other things they want to do. I mean, I don't blame them. They want to maybe have a little vacation time, or they want to work, make some money, and do those things. But when and if you can, I always encourage students to take summer courses because it's a great way to knock out some credits. And also, one of the things that kind of gets overlooked, something I found to myself when I was a student, is, you know, during the regular term, whether it's semesters or quarters, whatever you're on, you kind of get into this routine, a discipline almost, if you will, where you're studying, you're doing your schoolwork, you know, these kind of things. You should be anyway. And then summer comes, and if you're not taking summer courses, that kind of falls off. And so when you go back in the fall to school, it takes a while to get geared back up to fall into that routine, that discipline. So one of the great things about taking courses over the summer is you don't lose that. You keep that routine as part of your day. Anyway, so again, welcome. I see some of you have already started using the icebreaker, logging in there, and that's wonderful. I encourage you all of you to please do that. It looks like we're only going to have about 10 or 11 students this term in the course, and so that's great. That'll give you all an opportunity to get to know each other, and that's the purpose of the icebreaker. Log in there and tell us all about yourself. Tell us where you live, where you're from, your likes, your dislikes, what you know about sociology, all that good stuff. You know, take as much time as you want. You saw how long mine was, and I see a few of you did kind of really short ones, and that's okay too. But you know, over the course of the term, we'll get to know each other a lot better. Now, keep in mind, the icebreaker is not a graded component. The whole point of the icebreaker is just so that we can get to know a little bit about each other, and it's also a way to get you in the habit of how to use the discussion board, because the discussion board is a graded component of the class. Now, that said, we have a discussion board just about every week. I think the only exception is during finals week. So we have a discussion board every week. Now, what that means is there'll be a discussion question. Read it over, think about it, and make sure you're looking at the lecture that I posted. It's really just a summary of the chapter and the PowerPoint notes, and that'll help you not only with the discussion board, but answering the quiz questions. Now, back to the discussion board. You must post your initial discussion by Thursday, and it's like 11:59 p.m. So before Friday morning, that initial discussion has to be posted, or else you're going to lose points. And then by Sunday, so you got a few days there, by Sunday you must reply to at least 2 other posts from your fellow students, or sometimes I'll chime in there. I try to stay out of the discussion board to give you all an opportunity to participate and share. So that's how the discussion board works. Now, the quiz, you have until Sunday to do the quiz. It's only 5 questions. It's pretty simple. And again, be sure you're using the PowerPoint. You're looking at that. Be sure you're taking a look at the summary for the lecture, and that'll help you. That's about all I have for you today. I don't want to drone on too long today. But certainly I'm available. I check my emails all the time, so I'm in there 3, 4, 5 times a day if you're having an issue or problem. Or feel free to call me. My phone number is there as well. I live in Monmouth, Oregon, so the only thing I ask, I think most of you, if not all of you, are on the West Coast. All I ask is, just call during normal hours, and not midnight or something like that. And anyway, that's about it. I think we're going to have a lot of fun this term. We usually do. And I'll talk to you real soon. Thanks. Bye.